Due to his recent participation in the court system, Prince Harry, Duke of Sussex, has been in the news. Hi there, and welcome to our site where you can get the most recent information on your favorite celebrities and royals. If this is your first visit, please be sure to enable alerts and subscribe. Nevertheless, a UK judge has openly reprimanded him for what he sees as a vanity exercise in the courts, thus his activities have not been well received. Prince Harry has been actively involved in a number of charitable endeavours since resigning from his royal duties, and this is no secret. His work in humanitarian causes and his dedication to raising awareness of mental health issues have received widespread recognition. His latest legal actions, meanwhile, have brought criticism from unexpected places and raised eyebrows. The British judge has publicly voiced how annoyed he is with Prince Harry's supposed judicial ego trip. The judge contends that rather than being motivated by sincere concerns for justice, the prince's engagement in legal disputes appears to be motivated more by personal grudges and a desire for publicity. The legal dispute between Prince Harry and several British tabloids is one of the situations that has garnered a lot of attention. Although privacy is obviously a significant concern, the prince has claimed that these media have invaded his private and are disseminating inaccurate information about him and his family. The rebuke from the court is based on the belief that Prince Harry is acting out of a need for approval and a desire to write his own story. A wider conversation over the royal family's place in the modern period has been sparked by the judge's biting comments. The royal family has always acted with a certain amount of decorum and impartiality when it comes to legal issues. Prince Harry's courtroom engagement, however, has sparked debate over whether or not such activities are proper for a member of the royal family. On the January 10 broadcast of Good Morning Britain, Judy Justice's presenter issues a caution to her family who could decide to take a cue from Prince Harry. Judy declared that if her kid or grandchildren were conceited, spoiled, and unappreciative, she would be incensed. That would do serious damage to me. Composing a book might not be the best course of action. Anyone with a sense would realize that it was unfair and deceitful, like biting the hand that fed you, according to a former family court judge. On January 10, Prince Harry's memoir was hidden on bookshelves. The book covers a variety of subjects, including Prince William and his father King Charles III's second marriage and his strained relationship with brother Prince William. On the day of publication, the book didn't score very well in either Barnes & Noble's top 100 sellers or Amazon's non-fiction list. Stars who have expressed opposition to the proposal, with Don Lemon of CNN wonders what he is really doing by broadcasting family. Harry claims that he is only discussing his own experience with dirty laundry. Rather of using someone else's anonymous source to feed misinformation or stories to tabloid media, I will tell you the truth with the words that I utter. He remarked that this is where you may find some of his most intimate revelations. Prince Harry said that King Charles III struggled to find the correct words when his father informed him that Princess Diana had been involved in a deadly vehicle accident. Harry recalls his father telling him that his mother had been brought to the hospital after suffering serious injuries. "It's not as often as it used to be, but he used to call me lovely boy. His tone was kind. He looked like he was shocked. I'm afraid she didn't make it," Charles murmured, and everything seemed to halt. "I do recall that I did not cry, but I cannot recall whether I did. Not a single tear was shed. P did not come into contact with me." Under normal conditions, he was not very skilled at expressing emotions. In a crisis, how was it expected of him to do that? His hand landed on my knee, but he assured me everything would be all right. It's really music, fatherly, optimistic, and friendly. False.